Hello guys, it's Multi back here with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about buds for buddies, or as I like to call her, buds for bitches. Yeah, basically, if you don't know about her already, here's a bit of background. She posts videos of animal abuse. Yeah, animal abuse. Which it pisses me off. Probably because I got some dogs and cats myself. And if anyone was to hurt them, I'd break their fucking neck. They're my babies. But yeah, enough rambling about that. So basically, if you read her about page, she says that she's not gonna stop until Mr. Beast gives her $1 million. Like, that's gonna fucking happen. Go get a fucking life, you fucking stupid ass bitch. And this is ridiculous, bro. Oh god. And it pisses me off because, like, why are you being so insensitive? What did the dogs and cats and wolves do to you? Holy shit, I sound like that fucking vegan teacher. Help. I mean, yes, why? So, yeah. Animal abuse is unnecessary. I mean, I get if it's slaughtering pigs or cows or whatever for food. I still wouldn't recommend making videos on it because, you know. But just straight up animal abuse. Really, dog? Yeah, I hope that fucking asshole burns in hell. Well, that's all. Love y'all so much. Hope y'all have a wonderful day, afternoon and night. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.